Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick little demo here of the virtual keyboard capabilities of emulators running inside LinuxMCE. I've recently done some reorganization of the Commodore 64 and VIC20 keyboard layout and remote layout here, trying to bring more of the traditional remote elements back into play. As you can see here, we have a standard keyboard right down here that is in the same layout as the Commodore 64 and the VIC20, including all of the special keys, the Commodore key, the unusual cursor control keys, the left and the up arrow keys, which I never knew why they were supposed to be there in the first place, the restore key, etc. Users of Commodore 64 and VIC20 machines will feel right at home with this. And all the keys pretty much work to do what they need to do. In addition, you also have access to the bookmark facilities, resend AV codes as you need them. You also have access to the emulator options here, of course. And as you can see, we're using VIC. I'm experimenting with using VIC for the Commodore 64 and VIC20 stuff. And all the function keys, etc. So, to test this thing, I'm actually going to go ahead and enter in a little basic program right here. As you can see, as you start typing, you'll see the virtual screen start to update. It's not quite as fast as real time, but I think for most purposes it'll work fine. The shift keys and the control keys and whatnot act as a toggle. They're used once and then automatically undone. So in this case I need a quote, so shift 2. Yeah. Try that one more time. And it looks like I need to debug that. So delete. Doing this on a resistive touchpad is interesting, to say the least. The semicolon. Notice that all the keys are in the correct place for the particular machine in question. Of course, we can list. And as we go. So there we go. I'll go ahead and run it here. And you can see it running on the display here. Hitting the run stop key. Come on. There you go, little buddy. There. Causes the break. And we'll go ahead and go to the TV here so you can see, to compare. Go ahead and lift up a little bit. Give me a moment just to focus. As you can see, key presses that happen on the touchpad pretty much happen instantaneously here. So yeah, there you go. Until next time, guys.